Hi everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. This is Amika. So today I am going to show you how to get the perfect wing liner. So if you are ready, let's begin. Instead of starting from here, I suggested you to start from here. First draw the wing. There is a vital reason for it, that is you can draw liner according to the wing's thickness. You can overdraw the line, but if you overdraw the wing, if you are a beginner, then it can be messy and uneven. So let's start. To demonstrate today's tutorial, I am gonna use this Maybelline Colocel Born Liquid Liner. You can use any liner you have or any gel liner, it will all works the same. Just think your wing is the extension of your lower lash line in the same direction. With the help of a straight object like a brush or a card, you can get the line where you can easily draw the wing. First, make a mark where you want to end the wing. Then draw a straight line. See, a perfect straight line we got. Now draw a line like this. This is from lash line to the midpoint of the straight line, not to the top, to get the sharp end. Now fill the wing. And now we have done our wing part. Let's draw the line now. We'll draw the line from the inner corner to the wing. That is not really difficult though, cause the lash line is the stencil for you. You can draw with a little stroke to be precise, or you can draw straight. Now you can make the line thick according to the wing's thickness. Let's draw the other eye. First make a dot. Then draw a line like before. Another line from the lash line to the midpoint. And then fill the wing. Now a tip for you, don't hold the liner wand like this or like this, but hold it like this. It's important too how you hold the brush. If you hold the brush properly, it will make a big difference. Just try it and you can see the difference. That's it guys, the wing liner is complete. Now it's time to finish up. For that I am using a coat of mascara and using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And with that our wing liner look is complete. Isn't it very easy? Try it at home. I promise you will get a perfect wing liner every time, and both the liner will also be the even. And there is another tip for you. If you don't get the sharp end of the wing, what you can do? For that, let me make it a little bit messy. Now for that, you can always make it up with this magic wand. This is a concealer. Just take concealer with your concealer brush and clean up the messy area. The concealer I am using is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand. You can use any concealer you have. You can check out this eye makeup also if you want. There is also so many tips and tricks I have shown. I will put the links on the description box below and link will pop out right up there also. আর আমার বাংলা সাবস্ক্রাইবাররা ডোন্ট ওয়ারি, বাংলায় আমি উইং লাইনার টিউটোরিয়াল নিয়ে আবার আসবো। অ্যান্ড যদি এই টিউটোরিয়াল নিয়ে কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে তাহলে আমাকে কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানাতে পারো। So I hope you like the wing liner tutorial. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press the bell button for the notification, and I will give my social media links on the description box. If you want to, you can follow me there. So see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.